Hello everyone, this is Hyungju Yoon, a lawyer practicing in Gwangju, Korea. Last time I talked about interrogation and your right to hire your lawyer. Today, I will explain how things go after indictment or prosecution by the prosecute. Once the case is decided to be prosecuted, the case will go to the court. Basically, there are two ways of prosecution. The first one is 약식기소, or a summary indictment. It means that the accused offense is obvious and expected punishment is minor, so the prosecutor documentarily requests the judge to render certain punishment without trial. This is for the case ended up with a small amount of penalty, like a monetary penalty or 벌금형. So once decided, the written judgment will be delivered to your hand by post. And if you don't accept that decision, you can request an official trial within 7 days in writing from the date of the receipt of that such judgment. If the case is not for the summary indictment, it will be tried at the court. In general, criminal cases correspond to death penalty, life imprisonment, and 1 year or more imprisonment will be tried by 3 judges or 하비부 of the district courts in the first trial. If less penalty is expected, only single judge will try. Once the verdict of the first trial is rendered, either you or the prosecutor can appeal to the second trial within 7 days of the verdict date. The second trial is always tried by the 3 judges of the appeal court in the district court or high court. If your case was tried by a single judge at the first trial, the appeal court will be in the district court. But if the first trial was delivered by 3 judges, the case will be sent to the high court. The first trial continues in the second trial, and it means second trial is also the fact-finding proceedings, or 사실심, the fact-finding proceedings. You can appeal to the third trial if the second trial is not satisfied. But the third trial opens at the Supreme Court, and they only inspect whether there was any misapplication of law in the second trial, not the fact relevances. So they normally documentarily do try, and then they don't normally call up the suspect in the court. So you don't have many chance to go to the Supreme Court in person. Basically, most of the criminal cases are tried by the judges, but from 2008, Korea imposes civil participation in criminal trials, or 국민참여재판 in Korean. It is quite similar to the US jury trials. 국민참여재판 is available for the first trial cases tried by the 3 judges. The accused can either documentarily or orally request 국민참여재판 to the Justice Department when the trial begins. While your case is in any stage of the court, you can hire your lawyer anytime, of course. Your lawyer can open your whole case file and copy them once your case is prosecuted. So you and your lawyer can see every single details of the investigation by the police and the prosecute, like how they investigated and what kind of evidences were presented to the court. You and your lawyer can make corresponding strategies based on the evidence submitted to the court. So this is it for trial proceedings. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Bye.